Good morning. I'm Judith Richard. I'm the broker-owner of Perfect Choice Properties here in Concord. And my guest today is Paula Frenette from Embrace Home Loans. And our topic of conversation, I think it's going to be super fascinating, VA loans. Welcome, Paula.
Well, thank you very much for having me. I appreciate it.
I'm glad you're here.
Thanks.
So let's dispel some of the myths,
Okay.
okay? Do I call the VA to get a VA loan?
No. Here's the thing. VA does not write a quote-unquote VA loan.
Okay.
In fact, a VA loan is kind of a misconception. It's a loan that is backed by the VA. So in other words, the VA has their guidelines. They're going to require certain things for your mortgage, but they're going to back your loan or guarantee your loan. You know how someone says, oh, I'm not putting 20% down, so I have to pay PMI.
Right.
Or I'm doing an FHA loan and I have to pay their mortgage insurance.
Okay.
Well, what the VA does, if you have a VA benefit, your benefit is that they're going to insure your loan. So you're not paying that additional PMI mortgage insurance every month.
Oh, that's
So
interesting.
that's huge.
Could be big savings.
Thousands of dollars.
Okay.
Thousands.
So who can get a VA loan?
There's pretty much three categories of people. Veterans, and that includes active duty. For military, let's see, I always have to count them. Army, Navy, Air Force, Marines, and Coast Guard. I just
Okay.
wrote a $500,000 loan for a Coast Guard, for a
Ooh.
Coastie.
I don't think I knew Coast Guard.
Yep.
Good information.
Yep.
Great.
Then the second thing is you can be a member of the Reserves or National Guard. Their caveat is you have to have had 6 years in that branch.
Okay.
So, and then the third is you can be the unmarried surviving spouse of a veteran. And the veteran has to have died or lost their life due to the connection of their service. So if you're unmarried and your spouse died in a war or died because of complications from being in the Army or a Navy or whatever, you as the surviving spouse may qualify. And the reason it's unmarried is you have the benefit. If you get married, your new husband doesn't have rights to the benefit. So once you get married, you lose that benefit.
Okay. I think I understand that. So what do I need to show my lender to get a VA loan? What's the criteria that I want to come into you? I'm the veteran, and I want to come into you and get a VA loan. So what should I bring to you?
Okay. The normal things, you have to bring the same things as you would for a mortgage. Just because you have the VA benefit, you still have to qualify for the actual mortgage.
Of course.
So income documents, asset documents, things like that, the loan officer is going to ask you for. But the special thing that you need for a VA loan is either a DD-214, which
Okay.
most veterans know that's their discharge papers, or the certificate of eligibility. It's also called a COE. The certificate of eligibility is what we as the lender use, and it tells us what your benefit is and if you are exempt or not. Now, do you know what exempt can mean to your loan?
No, but I have a feeling you are going to enlighten us.
I am. If you are an exempt veteran, and that means that you are disabled in some way, when we see that sheet, it's going to give us information about your exemption. On a VA loan, you have to pay what's called a funding fee.
Okay.
They let you roll it into your loan, but there is a fee that is charged by the VA. But if you're exempt because of a disability, that fee may get waived.
Ooh.
And that can be a chunk of change.
So there's a good
So
savings
yep,
there.
so it's a good savings. So when you're going to apply for a VA loan, you want to get that DD-214 or better yet, certificate of eligibility up front for your loan officer to see.
Okay, so let's do this scenario. I have a VA loan on my current property, and it is for sale.
Oh, okay.
And I want to buy another home with my rights, my VA rights. Is that doable?
Absolutely. First you call Judy Richard because she's going to have to find that property for you.
Okay.
Just letting you know. But the thing is, you can have subsequent VA loans.
Okay.
So if you have a VA loan, you can get another one, but they can't be at the same time. So you have to sell to buy. Now, if you're closing in the morning on one and then closing in the afternoon on the other one, that's usually doable with the VA.
Okay.
Yep, you just can't have two of them at the same time.
And that makes complete sense.
Yep.
Well, that was great, Paula. I'm going to have you back again, and we're going to do part 2 of VA
Oh, my.
financing.
Okay.
How's that?
Awesome. Thank you.
Thanks, everyone, and have a great day.